Steve had mentioned lsac.org in his conversation, and I certainly highly, highly recommend spending time on that website, not only because you need to set up your LSAT registration, but they also have a tab on their website that's called Choosing a Law School that provides some really good resources for researching law schools. All the ABA accredited law schools are listed. You can actually search by schools. You can get a link to every school's website. You can find some overview information that schools have provided to describe their programs. And you can even search by certain criteria to try and help you find schools that might be a good match for you. For example, you can search by GPA and LSAT if you have those scores and want to find schools in which you may be a competitive candidate for admission. Or you can search by geographic location or even keywords. So if there's an area of law you're really interested in, you can search by the type of law, and it'll bring up all the schools that offer programs in that area. There are a lot of ways to do your research on schools. LSAC.org's website is a fantastic resource and an easy way to get you linked with all the schools' websites. I know we had Dean Anderson on your program earlier, Steve, and he talked a little bit about rankings. I know that's an area that a lot of students will look at in their research as well. And I'll make one comment about that. Really, I think the biggest thing I think about rankings and working with students over the last couple of decades as they research law schools is that I first encourage each of you to think about the things that are important to you in choosing a law school. So whether that's a particular type of program, maybe it's even a scholarship eligibility, a certain geographic location, your areas of law, class size. There's a variety of different factors that you'll consider. And so when you make that list and think about the things that are important to you, then I encourage you to compare when you're looking at rankings how your factors of importance are included or not included in a ranking. And I think then that can make it more meaningful or purposeful to you as you're doing your research.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.